Alright guys, I'm done eating. So the last footage that I was recording before this, I forgot to plug the mic back in. Now we're back, about to head home. Got a little bit dark on me, so let's see how the GoPro 11 handles the dark. So yeah, let's get going. I'm gonna take the freeway this time, but the freeway's all the way across. Oh, tippy toe gang, tippy toe gang. All right. How many of you ride with your tinted visor or with like a monochromatic color to it at night? Right now I got my mirrored lens on, so if I put it down I won't be able to see anything. I don't like carrying a backpack, so I don't have the clear visor on me. Left it back home. I mean, it's not too bad. Let's see. Yeah, no, I can see. I actually can see pretty good because it's not that dark out. But still, you know, living in California, I think, I'm not sure if other states consider it illegal to be riding at night with a tinted visor or anything other than a clear visor, but I know in California it's not legal to be driving with one. But whatever, I'll keep it up for now. Once I hit the freeway, I'll put it back down. So yeah, so let me know what you guys think of the footage. You know, is it a good angle? Should I correct it, bring it up higher, lower? Let me know what you guys want. I know there's a lot of moto vloggers on YouTube already, so I mean, there really isn't much that you can do to create new content. But yeah, I mean, it's not the easiest thing. It's not the easiest thing. It's especially when YouTube is saturated with moto vloggers, and you know, all these guys, they've been around for longer, and they basically, you know, they cover everything there is about motorcycles. So I'm sure you could go on right now and YouTube something that you want to know about, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna find it. But you know, I guess everybody's different. I guess everybody can do their own take on a specific subject. Regardless, you know, let me know what you guys want. Whoa, Jesus Christ, oh my goodness. Anyways, a little distraction there going on. So this is California State University, Stanislaus. Let me add that in there. CSU Stanislaus. So it's not a big campus. It's like a medium-sized campus. So obviously there's a lot of college students, you know, trying to stay healthy, or, you know, keep themselves looking good. So they're out running right now. And well, some of these girls be wearing some really smart shorts, man. And it's distracting sometimes. You know, it's only natural to look. Come on, man. Anyways, lane split. Oh, there's a train going by right now. Yeah. All right. Cool. It's already done. Might just get a green light now. Oh, nope. Brother from another mother. Who that? Let's put it in neutral. Ugh. Okay. Can't tell who that is across. Wonder if it's somebody that I know. Green, green, green. Nope. Still no green. What do you guys do at stoplights? You guys fidget, start singing, start dancing, feel awkward because you feel like everybody's staring at you? I'm just like whatever right now. This weather is pretty nice actually. Question. How many of you ride with gear? Minimum a jacket. So right now I am riding without a jacket. Who that? It's a Honda Fireblade. Don't recognize it. So I'm riding without a jacket. Because the only jacket that I have is some mesh jacket for the summer, and well, it's been cold obviously, so I layer up, and my last layer is the sweater. Woo! What up, bro? But in reality, not even the sweater keeps me warm. Still freaking cold. Right, freeway time. Oh yeah, now it's cold. Ah! Oh, this truck thinks he's fast. Little pulls are fun, and I'm going 77 miles an hour. I know there's tend to be cops up in this overpass up here, so try to chill out before I get to it, because now they're probably watching. Road. Man, I love the sound of my exhaust. it ain't too loud though. That's if it is, it's gonna be a problem. Or I might just have to readjust my mic, put it a little bit back further inside my cheek pads, so that it's not so loud, at least for the mic. What? Dude, I paid 5 something. Oh no, that's right, I'm tripping. Anyhow, yeah, anyways, the video probably won't make it up to this point on YouTube because I've shown you guys where I live basically, so I'm gonna cut it here. Anyways, talk to you guys later, man. Peace.